to tell me something on this wonderful stage. Hello guys, my name is Aman and today I am gonna explain five kingdom classification, which is a topic of biology. Five kingdom classification means all the species present on the earth are classified into five kingdoms. The five kingdom classification was given by R.S. Whitaker in 1969. He used some criteria to classify the species into five kingdoms. First, cell structure, second, body organization, third, mode of nutrition, and fourth one is reproduction. The five kingdom classification were named as Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia, and Plantae. Let us discuss it one by one. First, Monera. Kingdom Monera include those species which are unicellular, prokaryotic, and the mode of nutrition they have is autotrophic. For example, Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, and Cyanobacteria. Second one is Protista. Kingdom Protista include those species which are unicellular and eukaryotic, and the mode of nutrition is autotrophic. For example, Amoeba and Evelina, etc. And third one is Fungi. Kingdom Fungi include those species which are multicellular, eukaryotic, and the mode of nutrition they have heterotrophic. And these kingdom include cell wall that is made up of chitin. For example, yeast mushroom. And the fourth one is Plantae. Kingdom Plantae include those species which are multicellular, eukaryotic, and the mode of nutrition they have is autotrophic. This kingdom contains cell wall which is made up of cellulose. For example, red, blue, green algae. Now last one is plant. Kingdom and Animalia. Kingdom Animalia include those species which are made up of multicellular and eukaryotic. Mode of nutrition they have is heterotrophic and cell wall is absent in this kingdom. That's all for today. Listen to me.